I have the January Eyescream Beauty Box. So if you want to see what's inside and hear about some upcoming changes, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. This little guy is Bandit, and Chloe is off doing other things. If you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We hope you decide to stay. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Eyescream Beauty Box is a monthly beauty subscription. You're going to get an eyeshadow palette in every box. They also have a bag. The bag is $12.50 plus shipping. This is currently $25, no shipping. However, as of February 1st, they are raising their prices from $25 to, I believe it was $28.99. But if you lock in your subscription, you can do up to a 6-month. Now, before February 1st, you can get it at, I locked into like $23.99 a month for a 6-month subscription. So it is, I mean, it's all full size in here. So when you're looking at that kind of price, you're in the same range as some of those boxes that have full size and deluxe samples. Ipsy's going up, so you're getting full size and deluxe samples, but your full size is usually a brush, or they may have an eyeshadow quad that they consider to be a full size, things like that. Your Allure Beauty Box, your Birchbox, those kind of boxes are in that $20 range, and they are a combination of full size and deluxe samples. This is going to be all full size, and it's going to be a makeup forward box. So you won't see a lot of skincare in there. Watch, I'll open it up and there'll be like 2 skincare items. Typically, there are no skincare items, and sometimes there is like 1 skincare item. Most times it is all makeup. And the theme for January is So It Begins. I don't know about you all, but when I watch the news, I feel like that's what I'm saying these days. And here we go. Not much of a sneak peek because of all the little things. Now these are biodegradable, so if you put them in water, they're going to melt down to nothing. And typically you are getting 5 items. Now when they have the choice items, say an eyeshadow or a face palette, they will allow you to get both for an additional cost. With the eyeshadow palettes, it's typically an additional $10, and that's based on a first come, first served basis. So first, look at how pretty that is. This is from Medusa's Makeup, and it is a lipstick, and I know you're getting all kinds of shine. This is the Sugar Daddy lipstick. It is a $14 value. Medusa Makeup is cruelty-free and I believe vegan as well. Yes, and they have their own beauty bag that you can get monthly. It says that it is a mauve pink. It looks more like a nude to me. I mean, it is pretty. It does look more like a nude pink though than a mauve pink. Also by Medusa's Makeup, the Halo Glow Face Stick. It is a $12 value. It's a holographic highlighting stick. You can see slight shift between a white and light pink shade. It creates a natural glow. It is a subtle shift, and the pops of lavender may make for a beautiful ethereal effect on the skin. It glides on easy and blends out easy. And you can put it directly onto your face or use a brush. And this is in the shade Aura. All right, I'm picking up that subtle shift. Very pretty. Definitely use that. Next, we have a lip cream by, let's see, I don't see, Creme de la Cube. I think we got something else by them last month, and I think that was like a skincare item. I don't remember. Last month, if you recall, I had a broken eyeshadow palette and a broken face palette, and I did pay extra, $5 extra to get both face palettes. The one that was broken was one that I already had, but I was hoping to be able to use it in a future gift or giveaway or give back. I'm not calling them giveaways, they're give backs. Look at how pretty. And I reached out to her from the contact us on the website and I didn't hear back, so I emailed at their email address, the one that they emailed me like shipping confirmation from, and she did get back to me. I sent her pictures in that one, and she said that, and for the eyeshadow palette, I was really hoping, because they were magnetic pans, just to get that pan replaced, but from what she said, she doesn't have either things, and I don't know what she's going to send me. That's right. It's just like a clear, almost Vaseline type. It's a $25 value. Feels like Vaseline. Let's see. It's hydrating lip cream, great to use in winter months when your lips may be more dry than usual. It's also really great under matte lipsticks. Absolutely, that is one thing that I always recommend, is that you use something like this underneath your lipsticks, whether they're matte or whatever. They just help smooth out the lips. It's meant to combat lip wrinkles. Okay, I'll probably bring that to work and just use it to hydrate at work. By Charmacy Milano. This is a $25 value. It is a multi-chrome eyeshadow shade. So here is how it looks. It is a single shade. You can find Charmacy on Amazon if you shop at Amazon at all. Probably have their own website. I'm trying to show you, like when I hold it like this, it's got like a green, blue, but you're not really seeing it, I don't think. And the eyeshadow palette is by Ladybug Glow. You had a choice between Just Desserts or Vampy Treat. They were both a $38 value, and Just Desserts has more vibrant colors and Vampy Treats has more neutral grungy shades. They have multi-chromes, duochromes, and mattes. And it says make sure to stop by the Ladybug Glow site to pick up some amazing natural brushes. All right, so for $10, I did get both. So this is the Vampy Treat. And we're going to do a swatch. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start up here and go across 3. All right. Look at that. I'm guessing that the middle sparkly ones are the multi and duochromes. Kind of makes sense. It's a little harder to see. Let me go back in this. This one definitely has some pink undertones. There you go. You can see it a little better. That gray is kind of hard to see. I knew it would be. Absolutely gorgeous. And I know these look particularly bright, but trust me when I tell you, you can always go in lightly with a brush and tone them down. This one here has like this blue one up here has a green shift to it, almost like dragon scales to me. It looks like in purple. And here is the Just Desserts, and look at those shades. All right, we're going to start up here, go across 3 at a time. Oh yeah, I can definitely see the shift on this one. I know, my fingers look terrible. It's that Raynaud's disease. When you're cold at all, your fingers get all wrinkly. The dermatologist said, well, keep warm then. Oh yeah, you could see the shift right there in the center there. Oh, look at that blue. This one I'm seeing some shift on too. So that one is kind of harder to see. Those white ones sometimes are harder to see. If you put it over black though, put some over, so I put it right here over this black. And I'm seeing like a little bit of a purple shift. It's not picking up as good on the camera as I would have liked. You just have to trust me. Ooh, look at that. I'm running out of room. Oh, I see some shiftiness right there. Oh, that's the black that I put it over. Okay. So this one right here. I was pointing to the wrong one. Okay. So now you can see how it really stands out in a darker color. Let's put it over. There it is over the red. So absolutely gorgeous. And you know, I was doing a look every time I open this box, but then I wasn't opening the box because I didn't have time to do a look. So I decided I'm just going to swatch it, and if there is a time when I do have time to do a look with one of these palettes, then I will definitely let you know where I got it from, that it's from this box. I try to do that. I try to let you know where I get my products from. All right. Well, that is all we have in the Ice Cream Beauty Box. Again, the price is going up February 1st. The price for the bag will not. It's just going to affect the box. In the bag, you get typically 3 to 5 items, and in the box, it says 5 to, I think, 7. Usually it's 5, and usually it's 3 in the other. But again, sometimes they'll throw in like some eyeliners or kind of some, you know, some other things that are very nice, but of a lesser value, I guess. They're not cheap by any means. They're always nice. And I think, you know, if this is something that you're interested in, I think you'd really enjoy it. I think if you're looking for a beauty subscription that is a makeup forward one, this is the one for you. All right, well, let me know your thoughts. What was your favorite item in the box? And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.